Perekwane isibhedlela esikhulu esanceda uSidumo ephuka umlenze. Perekwane isibhedlela esikhulu esanceda uSidumo ephuka umlenze. Asikisi Sidumo, I'm sorry Sidumo.
Amehla kubona ukufa ngaphaphama ePerekwa, mangivula amehlo ngibona umndeni ngokuphaphama ngibonga ithuba. That be no my resident, still breathing and I'm kicking. Doctor said it's permanent, I'm walking like I'm ending. Ngase ngikhohlwa ukukhala qina idolo kuzohlanga kusho umama lethu umdoko lapha i-25 December. Couldn't even provide since that ride took my pride. All that left is all right as I paid my future pride. Perekwane
isibhedlela esikhulu esanceda uSidumo
Help him,
ephuka umlenze.
broke down.
Perekwane isibhedlela esikhulu
Big one,
esanceda uSidumo
help him,
ephuka umlenze.
broke down.
Asikisi Sidumo, I'm sorry Sidumo.
I can throw it, you can catch it. All my niggas as I flow. No rushing in this healing, we digest it nice and slow. Love ungivusela marabu ngangikhumbuze Perekwane. Sengidlulile ngicela sindulo wenzekile sale scott. Sometimes I wish for powers just to throw back the curse. Bible told us eye for eye, I always disobey that verse. Nkulunkulu uzongixolela ngiyahluleka ukuphindise ngamane ngishinge ngibamba umoya ngoba khuluma uMandela. Perekwane
isibhedlela esikhulu
Big one,
esanceda uSidumo
help him,
ephuka umlenze.
broke down.
Perekwane isibhedlela esikhulu
Big one,
esanceda uSidumo
help him,
ephuka umlenze.
broke down.
Asikisi Sidumo, I'm sorry Sidumo.